Alright, hey, it's Rob, and just a quick experiment here. I've got the GoPro Hero12 with the media mod, the little cage with the mic on it. And I was wondering if there was a way to both, get the sound of this front mic here, and if I turn the camera around, I could still be heard. And apparently there's a setting in here where you can turn on the front mic and also a back mic. So I'm just going to talk into the front here, and then I'm going to spin it around, and I'm going to talk into the back here. There's my doggy Diego. And I'm just trying to see the difference if I'm talking into the back of the mic, flipping it around. Now I'm talking into the front of the mic again. Let's flip it one more time. Talking into the back of the mic. And I'm just going to try to see if the level is even, if there's any kind of sound difference between the back of the mic and the front of the mic. One more time. The back of the mic. There's Diego. And the front of the mic. Alright, that's it. So those are the two different sounds from the front and the back, and you can let me know if you think they are pretty much the same or you hear any difference between them. Alright, thanks, bye.